Machu Picchu is a mysterious ancient city located in the Andes Mountains of Peru, built by the Incas in the 15th century. Did you know the secret behind its agricultural terraces? Discovered by Hiram Bingham in 1911, this site also features the stunning Sun Temple. And don't forget its surrounding cloud forests add a mystical touch. If you want to learn more about this captivating story, keep watching. Machu Picchu is the ultimate destination to experience the fusion of history and nature. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and follow for more amazing adventures.